I made a video earlier today, and in that video, I said something that triggers most of you. The comment was like, the world is coming to an end. You see, if you did not watch the video, don't comment. Like, if you don't want to listen to what the video is all about, I think the best thing to do is just try your best to watch it before commenting. Comment is good. I love it because it helped me to understand, to know your feelings and how you receive the message. But not for you to use that and trying to give advice when you have not even watched the video. Some of you may be like, okay, what video are you talking about? The last video that I published here before this one you're watching now, where I titled that if I'm in position of COS, that I may consider wash my hands off from everything. Why? I explained that in the video, but you still see some people. Oh, you are demoralizing people. You are discouraging people. Why are you discouraging us? That kind of statement. Even though when I started, I made it clear that don't need to say it, but I have to say it, but just receive it with good faith, something like that, because I already know that some of you will twist it just to make, just to create your own attack on me. But the only thing you need to understand is that I know what I said. The level of sabotage is second to none. You joined the movement, you want to support Biafra. Some of us that are not even in the cabinet, we are not anywhere. We just watching from outside, right? We are not full member of any group. What I mean by full member is you are in the cabinet, you are in the group, you are making decisions. I am not in the member. I'm not in any group like that. But am I interested in freedom? Yes, I do. Am I in support of freedom? Yes, I do. Why? Because everybody want to be free. Those who don't like to hear that are actually those who are depriving us the freedom. Of course, they will not like to hear you talking about being free when they're enjoying you being a slave. So that is that one apart. Why I said that is because how can you say you are in USB? You are supporting United States of Biafra. At the same time, you don't want to know what is going on in USB, and you are discouraging people from supporting USB. Now, if you have maybe one or two reasons why you support them, but you don't like what is going on, that one is different. But not to go out there, come out on social media and start saying something that will discourage people. That is what I was talking about. But I have some good, sensible people who understand the message very, very well. So please, I'm not discouraging you. I'm not trying to demoralize you. I'm just only trying to let us know that some of our brothers and our sisters are making it look like you cannot something that you're supposed to do or achieve within 1 week. They will prolong it because of the action of their utterances. They will prolong that into 2 months or 1 year or 2 years even. It's not helping anyone. So that's why I said what I said. That one aside. Now we are going to listen to APM of Ndiko and Ndekwe. That's Nkere. You're gonna listen to him because he always have update from PM every weekend, right? Uh-huh. Today is Saturday, so you know what that means. Let's hear him. Listen.
We appreciate all that they have done. We appreciate their sacrifice. We remember our leader, Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. We know where he is and why the Nigerian terrorist state kidnapped him from Kenya to stop our freedom. We salute him, greeting to him. And our Prime Minister, which the Finnish authority to call for so-called question. And we all know the reason why. We greet him, we salute him, we appreciate everything he's doing for the sake of his people. Fellow members of the cabinet, honorable ministers, admin reps, and continental reps, we salute you all, greeting, we appreciate all you're doing. We remember our BDF, we call them our
I know some of you will come here. Oh, I don't like to hear this man's voice. Don't worry. I know that. Okay, just calm down. Let's hear the update from PM because we used to hear some of the things like I've not watched the video to the end. Okay, but I have not. I don't know the update from PM yet. But let me tell you what the update is all about. Like the previous update that he will always present to Biafrans. That PM is okay, that is in good faith. That PM is he sent a message that you people should be strong. You should be strong, and you should fall back. So let's see if this one will be different. Okay, because he made this video when was that? 5 hours ago, according to Sana Barawa, because I'm playing that from his platform. So 5 hours ago he uploaded this. I don't know when Nkere said it, but the video is always like this. They will send it few hours before the fundraising. Let's continue.
angels that are protecting our land. Greetings, we appreciate you all. We appreciate all Biafrans that are sitting at home. So, to place the word on notice, to let them know the reason why they are sitting at home for their freedom. To let the world know that we are ready. We are ready to be free from our enemy.
Okay.
I have a message from our Prime Minister,
Okay.
Mazi Simon Ekwa Njoko, who is currently in so-called question by the Finnish authority. We know the reason why he was called: to stop the freedom that he's fighting for, to stop the freedom of his people. And we believe the Finnish authority will do the right thing.
Speaking of doing the right thing, one of the right thing to do, my dear Nkere, my brother, is you giving account so that people will know if the money they send to your account, which is one of the things that question PM, let's just clear that one for his sake. At least do that. Not folding your hand and keep on discussing, saying, asking people to do the right thing when you yourself need also to do the right thing. Let's continue.
He have a special message
Mhm.
to his lovely country, Biafra, to his dear people that he'll be fighting for,
Wait,
the people that he loves so much.
you will not have a message for Biafra or Biafrans. I don't understand because he said he have a message for Biafra. Then you started talking about people he love. Anyway, let me not go there. Sorry, this is not English class.
The love of his country. That is why the Finnish authority call him for so-called question. They did not call him just for his personal dealing. It's about Biafra. It's about his activity. It's about why he's fighting to free his people, Biafra. He, Mazi Simon Ekwa, the Prime Minister of Biafra, asked me, the acting Prime Minister, Mazi Nkere.
Remember, the woman, ex-wife of PM, made it clear that nobody talked to PM from outside Finland, though. And this guy keep on telling you how he had conversation one-on-one, not even through the lawyer, because I was thinking that he want to use this like camouflage to just hide somehow that you are talking to PM through his lawyer, but because he always want to be relevant, he don't want to use that kind of tactics to pass to lie to Biafran that I am in contact with PM, because the person that he himself brought to convince Biafrans said PM cannot talk to anybody outside Finland. In fact, even within Finland, he only can talk to his lawyer and his family. Anyway, what did he tell you?
to tell the Biafran people the reason why he was called for so-called questioning. He have not changed his mind. He's not dropping the cause of Biafra. He will still keep fighting for what he believes. And he asked every Biafran to remain resolute, to be unshakable. If you have not believed in the freedom of Biafra, you have to start doing that now. And he also asked me to pass this message to Biafrans, that he will not be in the so-called questioning forever. We know what that means.
So all this while, the only thing I've said is that from him is that he will not be there in detention forever. That's the only thing now, because all this while you said he talk to Biafrans, and you should know that he is not there for his personal deal. That PM is not the PM want Biafran to know that he have not given up. I don't understand. The only message for Nan is what you just said, Nan, and that message is not even line together. Let me take it back again.
In the so-called questioning forever.
That you will not be there. You will not be in the so-called questioning forever. So first thing, not even greetings, nothing, but just straight to the point. This I'm saying this for you to know that is business as usual. Let's continue.
We know what that means. That means sooner or later, he will join us. I repeat.
Okay.
He asked me to pass this message to Biafrans.
I repeat. Okay.
To let Biafrans know that this so-called questioning, he will not be there forever.
Okay.
For those that think he's not coming out, wherever he is now is not his house or his home. He will definitely be out sooner than you possibly think. And for the dreamers, the zoo terrorist country, Musa and others, thinking there's one way or the other way, he will be back in that zoo country called Nigeria. That will never work. He done nothing wrong than fighting for his people. And based on the activities of what is going on, that we all, by now already, know who is fighting for Biafra.
Okay.
And who is not fighting for Biafra.
Okay.
He encouraged us to tread with caution. He asked us to do the right thing by standing our ground the way he is when he left us. Please, fellow Biafrans, I don't know how many times a prophet will be sent to us and we will reject that prophet. I don't know how many times we will want to stone our saviors to death. We are smart people. We know what's right. And we understand him. Our Prime Minister loves his country, Biafra. He's healthy, and we expect to see him sooner than we ever thought. Please, for those that have been asking questions or saying if they don't see him, they will not be fighting for the cause of Biafran freedom. Please believe my word when I say he will be with us very soon.
Amen.
And what is happening now, for the historians, you all can testify that every country that have fight and fought for their freedom, similar things have happened to them. Your oppressor will not hand you over your freedom in a platter of gold. We all remember in the case of Mandela. We all remember how it happened here in the United States of America when they are fighting for their freedom.
So this is the end of the message from PM. As you can see, there's no message. That's just the fact. This is just to warm social media up for the fundraising that he's gonna conduct. As the time I'm recording the video, their fundraising is on. Okay, so updates from PM should not even come from him. If you want to believe, you believe, because there's no way he's have this access to PM and all that. I don't think so. If he does, it should be from a lawyer. Anyway, if you have been following his update from PM, you will understand what I'm saying better. But if you're not, maybe you're a newcomer, you may have doubts. But keep on following it so that you will start connecting the dot to know if that update is genuine or not. Thank you so much, and make sure you like this video. Tell me what to think about it. Do you agree or disagree? For those of you that commented yesterday trying to insult and talk somehow you know about me, and the comment of our sister Dada Ramama program, you're gonna wait for my response. And some of you are here actually, like from Nkere group. Oh, that you guys are this, you guys are that. I saw your comment. I will reply you very, very soon. Just let's see. Thank you, and make sure that you join the fundraising if you have not. And see you again. Bye bye for now. God bless you all.